So welcome to this channel. So I am Shayan here. So now we are going to start the new videos of Wishnet Broadband Services. So sometimes it happened that the sometimes we got some problem and we have some problem, some error are there. So in this broadband services, so there are no problem. Okay. So this is the easiest way to solve your problem in Wishnet broadband services. Okay, so first of all, we need to go the wishnet.in save portal. Then, okay, so after going to this portal, you are seeing that there are lots of options are there: self care info, recharge, wish OTT, docket, and users details. All are these things. So, if you have any problem, okay, so if you have any problem, you just go to this option docket. Okay, then here you find a options like the new docket. Okay, so press on the new docket and a new pop-up is coming. They are showing that ticket nature remarks. Okay, so what type of problem you have. So after that you click on this. So is any problem regarding your portal opening problem? Okay, like a gaming problem, that means the slow network, high latency, and the maximum sessions others, and pin loss. Sometimes the pin or loss are there in the broadband services, radius server error, relocation disconnection, request timeout, and speed problem. If you have any kind of problem regarding the Wishnet broadband services, you have to just click on the options like just for making the videos I am just uh, going to press the speed problem. Okay, so after pressing the problem, then you have to give the remarks on there. So what type of and what kind of problem you face. Okay, so just write your problem in this remarks section. Okay, I just write the speed problem here. Okay, then you have to submit this form. Okay, I am not submitting it because the speed is too good. And then you just show that there are a ticket after submit your new docket number. Then you just suddenly within the 2 or 3 hours you just got you will get a call from the Wishnet services. Then you just speak to their customer care executive what is your problem and how to solve it. They always guide you. Okay, then your problem will be solved. So they are the easiest way to solve your any problem, any error in this Wishnet broadband services. So Wishnet is quite good. They are keeping well, and I hope you all are keeping well. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications instantly. And thank you very much. Thank you.